Let's talk about how we can take a graph and write an absolute value equation from a graph. So the solutions to our absolute value equation are given to us. The solutions are 11 and 19. And so in order to write an equation to an absolute value graph, we need to know two things. Thing number one, we need to know the value in the middle. So exactly in the middle of our two solutions. And the second thing we need to know is the distance from the solution to the middle. So we're going to say distance from the middle to the solutions. Okay, so we've got 11 and 19. We want to know the value in the middle. There's a couple of ways you can do this. One of the ways, if they're close to each other, like 11 and 19 are, is you can just count to find which one's in the middle. But if they're far apart, another way you can find the middle is you can just add the two values together and divide by 2. So we can do 11 plus 19 divided by 2. 11 plus 19 is 30, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So that's the middle, 15. Okay, so the value in the middle is 15. Now, how far is it from the middle to the solutions? So we take the middle and we minus one of the solutions and we get 4. So from the middle to the solution is a distance of 4, and of course from 15 to 19, also 4. Okay, so the distance from the middle to the solution is 4, and that's all the information that we need to write the equation. Once you know these two values, you can write the equation. It's going to be the absolute value of x minus whatever the middle number is. So the middle number is 15. And it's going to equal the distance from the middle to the solutions. That is our equation. X minus the value in the middle equals the distance to the solutions. And we can go ahead and solve this because we know how to solve these to verify. Remember that the answer to an absolute value equation has two solutions, one positive and one negative. So either, case number 1, x minus 15 equals positive 4, or case number 2, x minus 15 equals negative 4. That's how we solve these. And using the the addition property of equality, we're going to add 15 to both sides. 4 plus 15 is 19. There's our first solution. Negative 4 plus 15 is 11. There's our second solution. Verifying that our equation, absolute value of x minus 15 equals 4, is correct.